All right, I want to show you now how to do our current assignment where we will take an image, convert it black and white, and have one of the things in our image remain in color. This has a lot of different names. Sometimes it's called masking or selective color. For our purposes, we're going to call it mask selective color because we're keeping one thing color and we're going to convert the rest to black and white. First thing you do is open an image using Photopea. So I've already opened up this image from Color Harmony for another class in this program. What I want to do is come over to my background copy, right click, I want to make a duplicate. So I'm going to duplicate the layer so I have a background copy to work on. So if I need to delete, I can. With this background copy, you'll notice it's exactly the same as the background. In order to convert this black and white, we're going to add a filter. So we're going to go to the top where it says layer, and we're going to add a new adjustment layer. And that adjustment layer will be black and white. Now what I see on the screen is my image is black and white. What I'm going to do, I want to select over here on my layers panel, I want to make sure that I have this mask here selected. So I have the mask selected, and now what I want to do is come over to the other side and choose my brush tool. And I want my brush to be black. And what that's going to do is it's going to paint out or hide this black and white mask. And I'm going to choose one of the little cupcakes to return to color. I need to make sure, one, that the color of the brush is black. And I also need to make sure that this little box here is highlighted. I know it's highlighted because I see the dotted line around the corners. Now I can come over here, and with that brush that I selected, I can start painting, and I can return one of these cupcakes back to color. So just go all the way around. I like to lift my mouse and go back down so I can step back one step if I need. And I just want to go right to the edge of the cupcake. And sometimes it's hard to do with a mouse. If you're using a trackpad, it'll be even more difficult. But just have patience. Take your time. Make sure you can change the size of your brush with the left and right bracket. Excuse me. That bracket is the one next to the letter P on your keyboard. So the right bracket will make it larger and the left bracket will make it smaller. So once I have the whole thing selected, I am done. That's all there is to it. I would then want to save this image and make sure that you save an original. You have the original copy and you also have your modified copy so that you can turn them both in to the project. And this is assignment 14.4. All right, that's it.